Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you responsive menu like this in React.js. Let's start. Here if I click this, here this content is changing, right? And if I inspect and I'm going to refresh the screen again, this is for a mobile view, okay? If I click this, here I got side menu like this, and here content is changed. Yeah, let's start. Here I already created React project and also I am running this project. Here I'm going to use this JS file and this is CSS and this is component. I'm going to pass the menu name here and I print that menu here, okay? And also here I imported this CSS and also this component, and also I'm going to use this logo and more image. Here I already added that, okay, inside the assets folder. Yeah, let's start design the menu. Okay, first I'm going to create one div and that class name is main. Also after that, here I'm going to create one more div and inside here I'm going to give a class as menu, and inside this I'm going to create one img tag src, sorry, yeah. Here I'm going to add this logo, and after that I'm going to create one UL tag, and inside UL I'm going to create li. This is home. I'm going to duplicate this for 5 times or yeah, 5 times. So I save this. I need to save this file also, and yeah, here we got design like this. Here I'm going to change the style of this, okay. First I'm going to change the height of this image, or I can directly apply the style to this image, okay. Save this and go here and image height is 40 pixel. Yeah, this is fine. Also I'm going to apply, I'm going to remove this bullets, so li list style is none. Here I removed that. Also I'm going to give a class, I mean color is white, and I'm going to give a menu background before this image, okay. Background is this color. After that I'm going to give a height, yes, 80 pixel. Save this and go here. This is what we get, and I need to align this and this menus in one row. So here I'm going to add a display grid and grid template column. First I'm going to give a logo width and also menu is 80%, and save this. Think this is fine, and I'm going to align this in one row. So here UL is display flex, and justify content space around, and here line item is center. Yeah, here I got everything in middle, vertically aligned. I comment this line, here it's all in top, so I added this. Save this, go here, it's back to center, okay. Here, yeah, this is fine. Here I'm going to get this content, I mean image center, So I'm going to cut this, put it in one div, and here this is imgc, okay, and go here, text align center. Yeah, here I got logo in center. Yeah, now I'm going to work on the mobile responsive. Let's start. Here I'm going to change the I'm going to add the style for that mobile. So here I'm going to add a media query, add only screen and max hyphen width plus 800 pixel, and inside this, before that I want to add a this menu, okay. So copy this, and inside this, after this, here I want to add a div, inside this img tag src, paste that menu and close that and save this. Here I got this menu, but this I'm going to hide this for a desktop view, and here got a condition window dot inner width is less than 800 pixel. 800 means I'm going to display this, otherwise I'm going to display the empty string. Now in this case, this is the desktop view. Here if I click inspect, and I'm going to refresh the screen, here I got this icon. Yeah, save this and go to browser. Here showing like this, and I'm going to refresh the screen. Yeah, now this hamburger menu is showing because this window dot inner width value will set when the page load, okay. That's why I reloaded. Now I'm going to change this menu style, okay. So go to menu, and here just I give background color as gray, and to cut this, put it inside a body, save this, and in this case this background color will apply. Why I'm just reloaded, still it's not applied. Why? Oh, I need to add a space between this. Yeah, now this background color is applied, so I don't want this style now. So I'm going to copy this menu and go to CSS, and here I'm going to change this menu width as 250 pixel, and I'm going to copy this main div class, and before that I'm going to add a position absolute, and top is 0. Why I am adding this? Because when this side menu is opened, we don't want to see this, okay. That's why I'm going to show this menu from the top, okay, 0, and save this. Now it's showing like this. Yeah, this is fine. After that, this width is perfect, and I need to get this menus after this icon, okay, after that icon. So UL, and here UL display block, and I need to change the menu height as 100 ph. I need to add a display block here. Yeah, this is fine, and I want space at the top, so padding is 30 pixel, padding top. Yeah, this is fine. After that I'm going to add a list space. Yes, padding is 10 pixel. Yeah, this is fine, I think. Also I'm going to add a cross icon here because we need to close and open this side menu. Okay, so before that I want to hide and show this menu when the hamburger menu is clicked. Okay, so here I want to add an on click for this, and also before that I want to set create accounts here. So set show view state, initially it's false, and copy this here. In the hamburger menus clicks I'm to add true. Okay, and save this. After that I'm going to add a cross icon inside a menu. Here I'm going to add a span. This is X, and copy this on click. Here I'm going to paste this. In this case, if cross icon is clicks, here I set false. Okay, save this. Here cross icon is showing here. I need to display this at this position. So I'm going to add a class to that cross icon. Here span position absolute and right as 0. Save this. Why it's showing here? Yeah, I think this menu style is applying, so I'm going to put this outside the menu and save this. Now it's showing in this position. After that, here I'm going to change the span color white and right as 2 pixel, sorry 5. Yeah, I think this is okay. If I click this cross icon, why it's not closed? Yeah, we need to show this menu. We need to add a condition for this menu. Okay, so copy this show. Yeah, here I'm going to add a condition. If show is true and this window less than 800 means 800, and also this is for a mobile view. Okay, and also here I'm going to paste that width for our case. This is for a web view. It should be greater than inner width, right? Okay, this is for a web view and this is for a mobile view. Okay, and if it is true, if this condition is satisfied, I'm going to display this div, and after that to close this. Yeah, save this. Go here, refresh the screen. Initially this hamburger menu only showing. If I click this, here the side menu is showing. If I click, the hide menu is closed. If I close this icon, inspect, if I refresh the screen, it's back to normal, and we don't want to show this cross icon for a web view. So, and I want to copy this condition again and paste it here, cut this, and yeah, this is fine. Here I added this condition for this cross icon. Now this is not showing. Yeah, this is fine for a web view, and I'm going to inspect. Yeah, it's back to this, and if I refresh again, yeah, it's showing right. If I click this cross icon, menu is closed, again it's showing. Here I'm going to add an on click for this list, and I'm going to change the content here, or I can display respective list component. Okay, yeah, and here I'm going to add an on click, and here before that I'm going to duplicate this for one more time. Initially this is home screen. Okay, this is active menu. Okay, and copy this here. I'm going to pass this home here and save this, and I'm going to create a active menu style after this dot active. Here text decoration is underline, and save this, copy this here. Add a class if this active is equal to this home, means I'm going to add this active class. Okay, else I'm not apply any style, and I think this is fine. Okay, and also I'm going to copy this component and paste it here. Yeah, I already imported this component, and I need to pass menu value here. Okay, this active menu value, and here val to pass that active. Okay, and yeah, this is fine. I think first I save this. Initially we have home, that's why it's showing home, and inside the component here, this is component, I get a props value here. This is a common style, and I get the props value in the val, that's why I added a val here. Okay, and also I'm going to remove this home, and I'm going to duplicate this for this time. This is about and I need to change this too. Okay, and this is education or something, you can give anything here. This is contact, this is help, just I give help. Okay, save this, go here. Initially it's home. I'm going to refresh the screen again. Initially home screen is displaying. If I click about, here component is changed. Yeah, and yeah, this is fine. And if you want to display multiple component, okay, so you can add multiple component, and you can add a condition, this condition. Okay, this condition for this menu. I'm showing the example here. If active menu is equal to this home, means I'm going to display this component, otherwise not display any component. Or like this, you can add a home, about, and like that. Okay, in my case I don't want this, so yeah, this is fine. And after that, go to mobile view, click this, refresh the screen. Initially we are in the home screen. If I click this, here home screen is active. If I click education and if I click this menu, if I close that, here education is printed. And again, yeah, I think this is fine. I'm going to close this to refresh the screen again. Yeah, now this is fine. I need to add a pointer. Cursor pointer. Okay, save this. Still it's not showing. Oh, I added inside the mobile view. For mobile view we don't want to add that. Yeah, now this is fine. I think if I inspect, yeah, it's showing like this. I think this is what I try to tell in this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.